This style is not for the weak. Okay, y'all, so I braided my hair. The video I watched, the girl, she had 48 braids in her head total, and I tried to do the same, and I ended up with 60, and I still got the same amount of hair she did, so let's hope it works, because I'm not going to do mine too big. But I got Freetress braid in here. Well, Freetress crochet braided hair that's water wave, and it's 22 inches. So I'm gonna start with this one right here, and I'm gonna put the rest in a ponytail, because we need to focus. You hear me? We need to focus. Okay, so I got the hair out the box, and I got 2 pieces out, so I'm gonna cut it, because you don't need it to be that long. And let's hope this works, because it's a learning experience for me and y'all. And I hope this come out cute, because I'm going to Florida in literally a couple days. So yeah. Well, they say pull it apart. Like, oh lordy. Well, I'm gonna twist the front, because that need to go around my root. Okay, this is how it came out. It's actually real cute. Okay, so when you get to the end and you notice your hair got shorter and you can't really see it, you just start back up at the bottom and twist right back to the top. It ain't gotta be perfect. You kind of want it to be sloppy to give you that soft look of fit. And y'all, I honestly been struggling, as y'all can see on my second one, because this is my first time, so I'm trying to find out a method that best works for me. It's gonna take me all day, then I got something else to do. Get discouraged. I'm back, and more of this side is done, but this really didn't work for me. So if you more like a person with your hands, you're gonna be doing it the regular way that I was showing you. But in order for mine to stay, I had to use a lighter. So yeah, so I kind of figure out how to do them that I am comfortable with. And the reason I'm twisting like this is because when I regularly go like this, it ends up twisting like I'm doing twists. So I have to go all the way around like this so it can be straight in there. Okay, y'all, so I'm done with this side. This side have more than this side, so really this one not gonna take as long as that one. But look at it, y'all. I think it's cute. Guys, so I'm back and I'm finished. It came out really cute. Let me give y'all some space. Well, I only used actually 3 packs of hair. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment things you want to see, be more active, and more videos coming. Yeah, I think this was a good for my first time. This style is not for me. They are really cute and I can't wait to show y'all how I'm styling them, so stay tuned. And we out.